ClickOnCare.com.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to review SkinLite Cream. So basically this cream is used in treating melasma. Melasma is nothing but we often see due to aging or sun or other reasons brown patches are formed on our skin. So this cream tends to lighten the brown patches on the skin. And the main ingredients which are used in this cream is that hydroquinone, tretinoin, mometasone furet. And this cream comes in 20 grams package and it's marketed by Zydus Liver. Let's unbox this and see how it looks like inside. So we can see that the cream looks like this and there's a description given along with the cream. In this cream we can see that the uses of this cream, then the indications, precautions and the directions for the use is also given. So the directions for the use of this cream is that it is to be applied daily once in the evening and it should not be continued more than 4 weeks. So now I'll just use this cream and I'll tell you how it works. You can see that I've taken a pea size of cream and I've applied it on my hand and evenly I'm just massaging it. So you can see within 5-6 seconds the cream is completely absorbed into my skin and I can also feel that there's no greasy or oily kind of feeling on my skin. Instantly it's been absorbed. So this is a review of SkinLite Cream.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and